Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures update for July 5th, 2022. We have the volume profile on this range. The top of the range is at about 12,300. The bottom of the range is about 11,050. And currently, the price is up to 11,669, about half a percent up. And we have an interesting place of a possible delay in movement or consolidation, and perhaps even a bit of a retracement before the European markets open up. And because we're at this red line, the POC line of the trading range, we also have this volume area high, which is the blue line. And this red line over here is the POC. So price rallied really nicely. We're at the 4 hour candles, and yesterday on the 4th of July, futures market were still open, even though it's Independence Day. So we rallied up really nicely, pierced the value area high, and profit takers were there to sell, bringing price down to the POC. This is something that's quite natural. And now we're still around there. Price for the bull case to still be looking good should protect the this EMA, this black line over here, which is at about 11,600 or just above it. And if you're looking for a possible trade to possibly fill up a buy order for going long, then it is possible to consider something like this to at about 11,615 would be the entry. This would be just above that EMA. If you want to go for sort of a more distant stop, you can go below the blue line of, so below also this low of 11,236. It's actually 11,220 at this stage. And this is actually more for buy-in holders that want to get into the market for a possible swing trade that would perhaps go longer than a quick move or a short move, because otherwise your risk reward is not great with a stop that is not close. And they could also go target the top of the range at about 12,215, as I'm showing here, for a reward versus risk of 1.52, as is here. But again, with the stop so far and we being sort of in the middle of the range, it's a bit of a challenge to find a very attractive trade. Another option is to significantly bring up the stop loss. So, for example, to just below 11,400 and bring up even the take profit. So we would be basically targeting to reach or surpass the high at 12,262. Let's just make this a bit more visible. And that would be close to, that would be a 3-to-1 reward versus risk, targeting for a swing trade that may take a few days, 5.5, about 5.5% upside, and risking 1.85% downside. So they would still be managing their risk, and this is a fair trade. It's not a bad trade. Trade at your own risk. So we are still bullish on NQ. This is also due to the other indices. Watch the EMA and watch the price in general. If the 4 hour candles close below 11,600, and I highlight close and not reach, the candle has to close below that, then you would start questioning the bullish case. There might be a little bit of also trading range here, but otherwise, if we maintain and we do not close above that EMA, then I'm suspecting that at a certain stage we'll be getting to at least the 12,000 round number on Nasdaq mini futures. This was an update for July 5th. Trade at your own risk. Thank you.